so sorry. I don't want you to fly out in here.
We can run through those quickly. Sure. What are you?
Hey, I'm gonna let Phyllis go. I'm gonna let Phyllis go. She was like right here. It was so cute.
She's peeking her head out.
Oh my gosh, she was. Okay, we're gonna let her go. Bye guys. Say goodbye. Okay, little Phyllis. Okay, if you ever do this, it's really important to let them go where they can like hide. So there's a lot of like bushes and stuff like that around. So we're gonna let little Phyllis go. Make sure you're okay. Little baby Phyllis. There's little baby. Oh, you pooped a lot, that's for sure. There you are. Oh, are you okay though? Oh, are you okay? Oh, goodbye, Phyllis. Okay, goodbye. Oh my gosh, that was so cute. So what happens is those birds, see how high that building is? See how the building is? Birds will hit those at like high speeds and then they'll like knock themselves out. So all you have to do is just kind of like let them recover. So put them in a box, they'll be fine. I'm a little sad Phyllis is gone, but fun day, good day. I'm gonna look up what a finch is. Spiritual awakening stuff, okay. Super fun. I love this. I'm glad you guys were with me. Love you.